children, let's learn about farm animals. Farm animals live in farm. They help us in many ways. Let's see some farm animals. Cow. Cow gives us milk. Baby cow is called calf. Cow home is barn. Horse. People ride horses. Baby horses are called foal. Horse home is stable. Goat. Goat gives us milk. Baby goats are cutely called kid. A goat home is pen. Hen. Hens give us meat and eggs. Baby hens are called chicks. Hen home is coop. Pig. Pig gives us meat. Baby pigs are called piglet. Pig home is pen. Ducks. Ducks give us meat and eggs. Baby ducks are called duckling. Ducks live on land or in water. Sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Baby sheep are called lamb. Sheep home is pen. Children, let's sing a rhyme on farm animals. All the animals on the farm are working all day long. Let's say thank you to all the animals on the farm, to the cows in the barn and their little calves. Say thank you like a cow does, moo, moo, moo. To the ducks in the pond and their little ducklings. Say thank you like a duck does, quack, quack, quack. To the chickens in the coop and their little chicks. Say thank you like a chicken does, cluck, cluck, cluck. To the sheeps in the pen and their little lambs. Say thank you like a sheep does, ba, ba, ba. To the horses in the stable and their little foals. Say thank you like a horse does, neigh, neigh, neigh. To the pigs in the pen and their little piglets. Say thank you like a pig does, oink, oink, oink. Children, I hope you all enjoyed. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.